Hello guys, my name is Rohit and you're watching Rohit's Feed. In today's video, I will be telling you about the best free SEO tool for all your needs. The website which I'm going to tell you is super cool and super easy to use. So let's start without wasting time. So as you can see, I have opened my Brave browser and now we have to search for small SEO tools. I will provide the link in the description for your comfort. As you can see, we get this first link as smallseotool.com, the 100% free SEO tools. Let's open it in a new tab. Okay, you get a tons of tools over here like plugin checker, article writer, grammar check, word counter, spell checker. So basically you use this Brave browser, so it will block all the ads. If you is used it on a normal browser, the ads are very clippy which interfere in between. So you get many tools like MD5 generator, uppercase to lowercase. Okay, now you scroll down, you also get a design studio where you can make a logo maker, resume builder, image editing tools are also there, keyword tools. Now here the SEO tools come. You can check out the keyword position, keyword density, keyword suggestion tool and keyword research tool. Let's check out the keyword research tool. Let's for example, we need keyword for any website, like let's go for a small SEO tools only. Okay, I have write down the website address and let's click on search keyword. As you can see, the suggested keyword, popular tools, related tools, in-depth analysis, small SEO tool, small SEO tools, authority DNS checker. So it is very cool website. Now let's head towards back and check more tools what are present. Keyword rich domain suggestion, keyword overview tool, keyword difficulty checker, backlink checker, backlink maker is also there, website link counter, website broken link checker, a website management tool, website SEO score, so you can get the SEO audit for any website, Google page rank, and basically all these tools we are going to use, and I will tell you how you can make a website. We are going to make an magazine website, so we are going to use all these kind of tools for doing SEO on that website. So just stay tuned with the channel and make sure you have subscribed the channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So when we scroll down, we have also website tracking tools where we can check up the IP checker, server status also there. So let's head towards check server status. Okay, let's enter the URL. Okay, I have inputted the website address. Now let's check the server details for this. Okay, you can see the HTTP code, the status means the server is okay and the our website is running on its good status. Okay, similar site checker, redirect checker, proxy. You also get a free daily proxy. So we are going to use these tools in later videos, so make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, so the link of this website will be in the description, so check out and Make sure you like this video and subscribe the channel. I will be in the back with another video.